How to set a background image in Canva to black and white. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you how we can just take an image, set the background black and white, and then the object of focus is going to remain in color basically. So if you have, for example, a human photo and then there's a background of trees and stuff, we can just make the trees and the background black and white, but the human is basically in color. So let's just go ahead and show you how to do so. We are just going to click on upload here. I've got a photo that I'm just going to be using, which is from Raf's photos from Pixabay. So thanks to him. And I'm just going to click on choose files here. And if we just go to downloads, we can just go ahead and find the image. So I'll just use this one as an example. And I'll just click on use in a new design. And we can just go ahead and set up the custom size and so on. So what we are going to be doing right now is we are just going to leave the bird in color, but the rest of the background is going to be basically black and white. So how do we actually do this? What we want to do is basically you want to first copy the actual image itself. So just go ahead and copy and paste the image. So now we have two of them. What we want to do is align them perfectly on top of each other. But the first thing we want to do is actually go ahead and make the background of the second one, which is this one, or actually no, the bottom one. Just go ahead and click on it and make sure you give it the effect black and white. Okay, so now that we have this copy, let's just do this again. We are just going to set this as a background, click on it, and then click on the edit. I was just confused because of the new look of Canva. Just click on edit on top of the image, and now we should have the filters and effects. So we want to apply a black and white filter to it. So let's just go ahead and find one real quick. I'll just use this one as an example. There you go. Okay, so now we should have the background as black and white, and we should have this one as a normal color. So we want to align it perfectly on top of it. And then what we want to do is just remove the background from Canva. This is going to require the Canva upgrade, but yeah, this is pretty much how to do it. But if you don't have the upgrade and you can't really afford to do it right now, which is upgrade, what we can do instead is just go ahead and open up a new tab and search for background remover, and we should have this one, which is an online remover tool, which is completely for free. Just click on upload image, and we can just go ahead and upload the same image, and it should remove the background. Now, unfortunately for this one, we have a few, like the branches are still in here, but I believe if we just erase the branches, we can do so easily in here, like so. Try to also erase the other branch right here. We don't really want it to be in the image as well, and try to make it as perfect as possible. Now, obviously, it's not really going to be that perfect, but we can just go ahead and download it as it is now. And now that we have it, we can just go back, remove the one on top because we don't really need it anymore. And what we need to do is just go to uploads, upload files, and then we can just go ahead and get this one and try to align it to be right on top of this one, which if you don't use the remove background from Canva itself, it's going to be a little bit tricky to align it perfectly. But I kind of did it because it's in the center, so that's really going to be helpful here for me. And yeah, this is pretty much how to do it. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.